If you eat one garlic every day for 30 days, this is what happens to your body. Garlic has been used for centuries for numerous health benefits. But what can it really do for your health today? Garlic is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and manganese. But its real magic lies in a compound called allicin. When you chop or crush garlic, it triggers a chemical reaction that releases allicin, which is the source of both its distinctive smell and many of its health benefits. Within the first week, you might notice a stronger immune system. Thanks to garlic's antiviral and antibacterial properties, it's like a natural antibiotic. By day 12, garlic starts to work on your heart. It helps lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. By the third week, garlic's detoxifying effects kick in. It helps protect your organs from heavy metal toxicity, significantly reducing lead and other heavy metals in your blood. And by day 30, you might feel an overall increase in your energy levels and well-being. Your digestion is smoother, your risk of chronic disease is lower, and even your skin might show signs of less inflammation.